think it's pretty well known in the industry that there are a variety of pain points from a patient's perspective, a consumer's perspective. And the ability to be able to provide the information in a coordinated fashion is very difficult, because in our industry, in healthcare provider organizations, they are faced with struggles of many different disparate systems. And being able to aggregate that data, aggregate that information, and understand the data and information in a way to then educate and articulate it to our patients and consumers in a way that's easily understood is a big battle. And I feel the pain of many organizations as we come in and talk about their strategies and talk about ways that they can improve a customer's experience, because they are trying to aggregate a lot of different pieces of information and are bound by contractual arrangements and other things internally that make it very difficult to do that. You know, when you look at the bills that a patient received, we've probably all received a bill in the mail that we didn't understand at one point or another, where we called and we tried to ask a question and they can't answer the question easily. They can't explain to us, how did you come up with not only what I was charged, but then what I ultimately got billed, and is it accurate? And a lot of times they can't even articulate to you how it was calculated or that it is accurate, which leaves you with an uneasy feeling of, do I pay this bill? Is it accurate? So many organizations are putting in technology, customer service and call centers, and in processes to make sure that they're better communicating with their patients. You know, one of the things that I think organizations should really be thinking about before they start enacting change and before they start addressing things on a one-off fashion is to really take a step back and look at their overall strategy. How do I want to interact with my consumers? How do I want digital and technology to play into that interaction, and to really identify who my market is, who are the consumers that I'm trying to interact with, and what are their expectations. Get those consumers involved in that process, and then build your technology, build your strategy, build the things that you're doing to address their concerns in a way that actually addresses their concerns. Don't make assumptions. Don't assume that you know what they need before you interact with them, and really confirm that.